Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Resolve. In this video, I'll show you how to install 3uTools on your Windows PC and open it for the first time. Step 1. Downloading 3uTools. First, open your browser and go to www.3u.com. This is the official website. On the home page, you'll see a big blue download button. Just click on it, and the download will start. Wait 2 seconds. The file is around 110 megabytes, so it should only take a minute or two. Step 2. Installing 3uTools. When the download is done, open the file to start the setup. Click Install and wait for it to finish. Don't worry, it's very fast and you don't need to change any settings. After it's done, click Launch or open 3uTools from your desktop. Step 3. Opening and exploring the interface. Now 3uTools is open. Let's take a quick look at what you see. There are different tabs at the top. Apps, to manage iPhone apps. Photos, music, videos, to view and transfer media. Toolbox. This has many extra tools like ringtones, backup, and more. Even if no iPhone is connected, you can explore these tabs and see how it works. And that's it. You've now installed 3uTools and opened it on your PC. In the next videos, we'll learn how to use these tools one by one. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for updates. See you next time on Tech Resolve.